Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about how to grow a potato. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sow a potato into hydroponic system or into the organic farming. Friends, potato is propagated through its last season tuber or the seed tuber. Normally, the seed tuber is prepared in a specific season so that in the next season it will give the good harvest. But you can also use the last season tuber which you have grown for the sowing. But before sowing, you need to prepare that tuber for the sowing. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you in detail how to prepare this tuber for sowing and what are the spacing we need to maintain to get the good harvest. To know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So friends, what you see over here is my potato tuber which I am going to use as a seed. Now I need to prepare the seed before the sowing. Now potato can sprout from all around its surface, and if I sow the potato, full potato, then the sprouts will come from all the sides, and many times the bottom sprout cannot come out. Second, when we sow the potato and if the size is big, then at the one place many potato tubers will get developed and it will not nourish well and our production will not be good. So whatever the big size potato are there, we need to cut them to a size ensuring that at least 2 to 3 eyes remain on each of the piece. Now I show you that the small potato we can use directly as a tuber of this size. You can see this. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes, and we can sow this. Now if the size is big, like you can see this is the big size, so we can split it into two. Again here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 eyes on it. Here again the 1, 2, 3 and 4 eyes on it. So we need to cut it. Now if its size is even bigger than this, we can cut it into 4. And here you can see that one big eye, 2, 3, 4 eyes. So based on the size of the potato, we should cut the potato into either 2, either 4 pieces, ensuring that at least 20 to 25 gram of the tuber remains on it. Now once we cut all this potato into the pieces, we need to let it dry for a day or two so that the cut surface will get dry and harden and any fungus cannot enter into the tuber. Further, after drying this, we can further protect it with application of the trichoderma and pseudomonas. A trichoderma will protect it against the other fungus so that tuber will not get rotten, and the pseudomonas will protect the tubers against the insects or the worms into the soil. So we will treat this potato with both of these fungus. So this is around 5 kg potato, and we will take around 15 to 20 gram of this fungus and sprinkle all over the seed like this. So same way we will take another fungus also. So now we have application of the fungus, both type of fungus on it. Now we need to shake it well so that the fungus spore covers on each of the piece. So we are shaking this well from all the sides, and you can just see that the coating is happening on all the pieces. Here you can see which we have already treated. So we can do like this for a couple of times and our all seedling will be ready. Now you can see that the coating is applied on each of the piece. Now we can sow this piece. So let us see how we are sowing it into the system. Watch the video till the end. And if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So now you can see that our seed potatoes are ready with the treatment, and now we are going to sow them for the organic farming. For organic farming, we have prepared this raised bed. You can see the raised beds. These raised beds are 1.5 feet on the top and around 2.5 feet on the bottom. We have run 2 pipes of drips into this to distribute the water equally. Now we are going to maintain line to line distance around 1 feet on the 1.5 feet bed and sow all the seeds of the potato into this. Now at the time of sowing, we must ensure that the cut portion which we have cut over here should be remaining on the bottom side, and all the eyes should be facing the top. We also need to ensure that we must deepen it by equivalent amount of at least the thickness of the tuber. So we need to make a dig up small pit. We must place this like this and cover it with the soil so that 1.5 to 2 inch soil remain on the top. So this is how we'll complete the whole sowing of the potato into this. Now before preparing this bed, we have added enough of the cow dung manure and the compost into this bed because the potato requires lot of fertilizer. So we have added all these fertilizers into the initial part, and now we are putting this seeds. After this, we need to maintain a good moisture. The potato loves a good moisture but not the wet condition. So we will run the drip lines 2 hours every 3rd or 4th day into this winter time just to maintain the moisture into this bed. And this each potato piece grow into one plant, and this will have a potential of growing around 1 to 1.5 kg of the potato into it. So you also plant sowing potato in your backyard garden or the space around and grow your potato, organic potato at your home. Happy growing!